Hi everyone. Let's continue CTVT entrance preparation model questions. यो क्वेशन्सहरु चाहिँ अगाडि सेसनको कन्टिन्युएसन हो जुन चाहिँ निम्स इन्स्टिट्युटले प्रोवाइड गर्नुभएको थियो. So let's see है त. What is the gravitational field intensity on the surface of a planet if its mass is double and the radius is 4 times that on the earth? 2 by 4 times that of the earth, 8 times that of the earth, 1 by 8 times that of the earth, 1 by 16 times that of the earth. So the correct answer is 1 by 8 times that of the earth. कसरी त ग्रेभिटेसनल फिल्ड इन्टेन्सिटीको फर्मुला के हो त gm upon r स्क्वायर. अनि हामीहरूले मासमा चाहिँ डबल भनेपछि 2m राख्यौँ र रेडियसमा चाहिँ 4 टाइम्स भनेपछि 4r को होल स्क्वायर राखेर सल्भ गर्दाखेरि कति आउँछ त 2 by 16 gm upon r स्क्वायर द्याट इज 1 by 8 gm upon r स्क्वायर आउँछ. त्यही भएर अर्थको भन्दा कति टाइम्स चाहिँ बढी रहेछ त ग्रेभिटेसनल फिल्ड इन्टेन्सिटी 1 by 8 टाइम्स. The pressure exerted by the atmospheric air at the sea level is about 10 to power 5 Pascal, 10 to power 4 Pascal, 10 to power 3 Pascal, 10 to power 2 Pascal. So the correct answer is 10 to power 5 Pascal. Which of the following word is related with classification of Penicillium? Cnidaria, Protozoa, Algae, Fungi. So the correct answer is Cnidaria. Cnidaria is related with the classification of Penicillium. What part of an wooden block remained above the water if its density is 700 per meter cube? 3 by 10 part, 2 by 5 part, 1 by 2 part, 7 by 10 part. So the correct answer is 3 by 10 part. कसरी त water को density 1000 per meter cube हुन्छ र wood को density चाहिँ 700 per meter cube छ भनेपछि यसको remaining part भनेको 300 भयो. 300 by 1000 equals to कति आउँछ त 3 by 10. Which of the following is name of the moon of the Pluto? Charon, Pulsar, Triton, Titan. So the correct answer is Charon. The pressure exerted on the bottom of water-filled tank depends on ... when it is shifted to the different places of the earth. Density of water, depth of water, acceleration due to gravity of the earth, all of the above. So the correct answer is acceleration due to gravity of earth. So pressure exerted on the bottom of water-filled tank चाहिँ केमा डिपेन्ड हुन्छ त acceleration due to gravity when it is shifted to different places of the earth. Upthrust exerted to the stone is directly proportional to the ... if immersed in kerosene oil a certain place. Density of kerosene oil, volume of the stone, acceleration due to gravity at the place, none of the above. So the correct answer is density of kerosene oil. Upthrust चाहिँ के हुन्छ त जति धेरै डेन्सिटी भयो त्यति धेरै upthrust हुन्छ. त्यही भएर upthrust exerted to the stone is directly proportional to the density of kerosene oil if immersed in kerosene oil a certain place. Which of the following name does not belong to AIDS virus? RNA virus, DNA virus, retrovirus, HIV. So the correct answer is DNA virus. AIDS virus सँग related नेमहरु चाहिँ के हो त RNA virus, retrovirus र HIV. The p block element in periodic table contains non-metals, metals, metalloids, all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. p block element को characteristic भनेको यसमा चाहिँ तीनटै metals, non-metals र metalloids contain हुन्छ. Ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun breaks the oxygen molecules and produces ozone gas. In which of the following layer of atmosphere takes place this activity? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, exosphere. So the correct answer is stratosphere. Stratosphere मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ त ultraviolet radiation जुन चाहिँ sun बाट आएको हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ break down हुन्छ into oxygen molecules र produce गर्छ ozone gas. Hydraulic press works under which of the following principle? Pascal's principle, hydraulic principle, Archimedes principle, principle of flotation. So the correct answer is Pascal's principle. Hydraulic press works under the Pascal's principle. Pascal's principle के state गर्छ त the pressure applied in an enclosed fluid is transmitted equally in all direction of fluid. Quantity of heat of a matter depends on number of molecules, average velocity of molecules, mass of molecules, number and average velocity of the molecules. So the correct answer is number and average velocity of the molecules. Which of the following is chlorinated insecticide? Malathion and parathion, aldrin and dieldrin, Begen and turmeric? None. So the correct answer is aldrin and dieldrin. Chlorinated insecticide चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ हो त? Aldrin and dieldrin. Dinosaurs died out completely in the period of the Earth's history. Cretaceous, Jurassic, Triassic, Carboniferous. So the correct answer is Cretaceous. So dinosaurs चाहिँ extinct भएको कहिले हो त? Cretaceous period मा. Which of the following is the formula to calculate liquid pressure? P equals to F upon A, P equals to V dg, P equals to AH dg, P equals to SdG. So the correct answer is P equals to SdG, where H stands for height of liquid column, D stands for density of liquid, and G stands for acceleration due to gravity. Voltage of AC mains is 220 volt. What type of transformer is used to play the radio of 12 volt from that line? Step up, step down, fuse, switch. So the correct answer is step down. Step down transformer चाहिँ used हुन्छ to change high voltage low AC to low voltage high AC. Which is the largest nematode in human body? Wucheria, Ascaris, liver flock, threadworm. So the correct answer is Ascaris. Ascaris the largest or commonest intestinal nematode in human body. According to table, in which substance does temperature rise much if equal amount of heat is supplied in same time interval to equal mass? Substance A 4200 joule per kg degree Celsius, substance B 800 joule per kg degree Celsius, substance C 600 joule per kg degree Celsius, substance D 400 joule per kg degree Celsius. So the correct answer is substance D 400 joule per kg degree Celsius. किन त Q equals to MSDT हो भनेपछि स्पेसिफिक हिट क्यापेसिटी र टेम्परेचरको रिलेसन चाहिँ के हुन्छ त इन्डाइरेक्टली प्रोपोर्सनल, त्यही भएर सबैभन्दा थोरै भएकोमा चाहिँ टेम्परेचर चाहिँ राइज हुन्छ मच, द्याट इज 400 जूल पर केजी डिग्री सेल्सियस. Which of the following does not belong to class Pisces? Catfish, shark, flying fish, jellyfish. So the correct answer is jellyfish. Jellyfish belongs to class Coelenterata. Aluminium does not react with hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid above all. So the correct answer is nitric acid. Aluminium does not react with nitric acid. That's it for today's session. We practiced 20 sets of questions. Our next 20 sets of questions त्यो पनि म चाँडै नै अपलोड गर्छु. So stay tuned. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.